I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi. And today I'm going to show you 9 websites that you can use to make at least $100 by just doing some simple tasks. And let me tell you up front right here that these websites are not going to make you rich. You are not going to be financially free by doing what I'm going to show you in this video, right? But what can be a game changer for you is the announcement that I'm going to make at the end of this video. So stay with me. I'll do this quick and I'll be out of your way. Before I reveal the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. And if it is your desire to learn more and you want to make money using the internet, then my friend, you are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel, right? So without wasting your time, my friend, we are jumping straight to our first website. Our first website is called Grab Points. So free gift cards for watching television, answering surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, okay? So you sign up using your Facebook or your Google account, or you can just stick your email right there and sign up, right? And this is how it works, right? Advertisers pay Grab Points for engagements. We recruit members like you. Do online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. Then you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash, right? So this is the array of the gift cards that you can get, you can opt for. But you see, the best way of transferring money online is the PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, it's free, it's dead easy, it's free. You just go to paypal.com and sign up for a personal free account, okay, right? Of course, you can opt to get an Amazon gift card, seeing that Amazon now is a household name, right? Let's look at some testimonials right here and see that this is a fantastic website. Today is the 2nd of July, 2020, right? Look at the date right there, right? 5 stars right there. But I want to take you to this one on the 25th of June. It says, an amazing website, meaning Grab Points. Grab Points is an amazing website. Tons of great opportunities to earn points, which can be redeemed in a variety of ways. Quick payout as well. I've earned over $100 so far. I can't wait to earn another 100 with Grab Points, right? So thank you very much, right? This is why I'm saying, my friend, you can earn at least $100 using these websites. You're going to combine this one. This is just the first of the 9. Okay, so we are jumping to our next website, which is called mypoints.com. Earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. MyPoints members get up to 40% back with every purchase at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon, right? So Amazon, you know, Amazon is everywhere. So it doesn't matter whether there is no Walmart where you are, or Best Buy, or Home Depot, right? Still you can shop at Amazon online, okay? And this is another fantastic thing right here on this website, MyPoints. Get $10 welcome bonus, right? Either as Visa gift card or Amazon gift card, right? Which is fantastic, right? So MyPoints works at your favorite stores. Start shopping at mypoints.com and find the latest promo codes and deals for thousands of stores. Earn points on your purchases. Earn points on every dollar you spend. Follow our links and let the shopping begin. Points will be added to your account when your order is reported to us. Redeem your points for gift cards and more. Our next website is called paidviewpoint.com. You sign up there and then you take some surveys. They give you also some money for just joining up. I got $1.10 for signing up on this website. Our next website is called Video Research. Get paid to take surveys online. Video is the secure, reliable, and free survey site for everyone who wants to earn money online. All right. So you can see that they are offering some vouchers there. Easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys added daily. $8 million has already been paid to members. Get paid cash, not points, via PayPal. Right. So you take surveys at home or on the go. And Trustpilot is one of the most trusted review sites. So this site has got a fantastic score on Trustpilot. You can dig it out on your own. What are the surveys about? Survey topics cover a wide variety of topics: trucks, cars, politics, sports, new technology, popular restaurants, home improvement, shopping and fashion, travel and leisure, and health and beauty. Okay. Share demographic information about yourself, and Video Research will match you to paid surveys. Browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have us email you when new surveys come in. Right. Look at this. If you do a survey, complete a survey about politics, you get $10. Electronics survey, $14. Fashion survey, $2, which is fantastic. Our next website is called Toluna Influencers, right? Influence your world. Your voice plus our voice equals the voice of change. You get started right there. This is a survey site. So they will just be asking you, how do you feel? How much was your dinner, right? And you just answer there. Right? This is how it works. Your personal opinion can become the inspiration that others need. Let us help you get your ideas into the right ears. With great feedback comes great rewards. Okay, so you just give your opinion, send your feedback, and then you get some rewards. And these are the brands that partner with Toluna Influencers: Amazon, Coca-Cola's, CBS, Fiat, right? Kellogg's, Expedia, and many more, right? We've got some testimonials on there, right? You can read them. You just click Get Started button right there, and you start. Next website is called tellwhat.com, right? You earn 100 reward points when you enter your information below and confirm your email. Receive another 150 reward points for a total of 250 reward points when you complete the full registration process. And you convert these reward points into cash, PayPal cash. Okay. So this is how you earn right here. And you just get more information as you register. I'm going to show you, I'm in a rush. I'm going to show you the next website, my friend. It's called Univox. Take surveys and rewards. Devote time, take surveys, and share feedback on products you use. Get paid for it without leaving your chair. Do this being anywhere in the world. You join and then you get $2 bonus. And you can download the apps onto your Android phone or Apple phone. Right. This is 3 simple steps. We value both your time and your opinion. Do you? With Univox, start doing so. Right. Sign up and get instant bonus of 200 points, which is worth $2. Right. We'll email you survey invites. The surveys will be quick and easy to answer. Win exciting rewards for each survey you take. All right. So you can redeem your rewards, right? The rewards, you redeem them into PayPal. PayPal is the faster safer way to send money, make online payments, and receive money. Or you can receive a virtual MasterCard, a Amazon gift card, Tango gift card. Okay. And this is the next website. It's called I Say. Share your opinion with I Say and earn rewards. We are an online survey rewards community with over 3 million members celebrating the power of voice. Then you join right there. Choose the rewards that's perfect for you. Take surveys and endpoints that you can redeem for a variety of rewards, and enter our contest for additional chances to win. Once you hit £5, then you can get that one. Argos, £10. Google Play, £5. You could be the next contest winner. Over 10,000 have already won. Okay, right? And at the bottom, you can see the winners right there. Right, so I'm in a rush, my friend. I value your time. So I'm going to show you my last website, my friend. And this website is called Swagbucks. Put cash back in your wallet. It's a 43-second video that you can watch right there, right? Join for free. Email, password, confirm your password. Then they'll send you an email. You have to confirm it. And then you are signed up. All right, or you can use your Facebook account to sign up. Get free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. Here is how. Earn points, shop online, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points, right? Then you get free gift cards. Redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or you can get cash, PayPal cash right there. All right. We've paid our members £260 million. This is pounds, my friend. It's slightly stronger than the US. So this is serious business going on right here, my friend. Okay, my most rewarding moment with Swagbucks is using the gift cards I earn to buy gifts for my child's Christmas and February birthday. All right, so 7,000 free gift cards are dished out every day from this website. This is a serious website, my friend. And look at this one too. 16,800 reviews dropped or left on this website. And the score is 4.3 stars out of 5. That's a serious score, my friend. So you can know that this Swagbucks is a legit site. So my friend, these are the 9 websites that I promised you that you can start to make at least $100 by just doing some simple activities on them, right? The minute you stop working on these websites, doing the surveys and watching the videos, right? It means your money also goes down to zero. The internet has leveled the ground for everyone. That ordinary people like you and me, we can start to make money in a passive way on autopilot, right? So you can make money whilst you are asleep. This is passive income. This is autopilot money, which I'm describing right now. You can make money whilst you are traveling on vacation. You can make money whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, with your husband, with your wife. You can make money whilst you are doing the more important things of life. You can make money whilst you are visiting some of the remote places you desired to visit from a long time ago. Why? Because you now have the cash to pay for that. Okay, I've got a link in the description which can give you details on what I've just hinted right now. Okay, so if you have found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. See you later.